Namaskar viewers, I welcome all of you on your own YouTube channel Astro Journey, a Divine Voice. Friends, today we are going to discuss about how the various planetary combinations affects the nature of your life partner. This is a very important topic when we are analyzing a chart for a marriage combination. In our series of Bhrigu Nadi Nadi free course, today in today's world, everybody wants to know about the nature of his future life partner, how he or she will behave after the marriage, and whether their behavior uh, things are going to match or not. Let's discuss about the effect of planets upon the nature of your life partner. Friends, as we all know, Venus is significator of your wife in your birth chart. If it is conjunct with the sun, your wife may be a good in administration, belongs to a royal family or to a family which is who is having a high status in their um, society. She may be popular, kind-hearted, and interested in social work. If Venus is conjunct with Moon, it shows the unsteady mind of your future life partner. If you are a male, she may be of artistic inclination, but she also tends to have ill fame in society or blameworthy. If Venus is conjunct with Mars, your future wife may be short tempered, stubborn, selfish, dominating. At the same time, she may be disciplined, energetic, and tends to have her interest in extracurricular activities, sports, or adventure activities. She may be ambitious in life. If Venus is conjunct with Mercury, it shows your future wife may be intelligent, soft spoken, or business minded. If Venus is conjunct with Jupiter, it shows your life partner's inclination towards religion. She may act as a guide. She may have all the good qualities, and she may be rich and full of wisdom. If Venus is conjunct with the Saturn, it shows your life partner may be lazy, professional, earning, lucky, brings luck to the husband in the field of profession. If Venus is conjunct with Rahu, your life partner may be lazy, secretive, liar, clever in talking, and she may have a round, radiant face with beautiful eyes. Venus and Rahu combination also give a magnetic and charismatic personality in a female native. If Venus is conjunct with Ketu, it shows religious and spiritual inclination of a native, self-respect, speaks less. She may speak less but blunt. She may be a balanced speaker. All these qualities suggest your life partner according to the combination or effect of Venus, how Venus is affected by other planets. It shows how uh, these planets are going to affect the nature of your wife. So today I am coming to an end in this discussion, and hope if our efforts uh, are worth noticing, you people are going to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Namaskar.